At Biomerics Brooklyn Park, we have all the skills and skill set engineers on staff to make a complete finished medical device from pellet to sterilization in our facility. When you look at the breadth and scale the Minnesota campus offers between metals expertise and polymer plastics expertise, we offer that complete solution to our customers. Our key capabilities include extrusion, machining, laser processing, catheter construction, lamination and reflow, braiding. We focus on metal components in those catheters for articulation. We can also do laser ablation, whether focused for coating removal and putting slots into catheters for technologies as sensors or openings for other types of support for those devices. We are in a unique position in the Minnesota geography to offer a complete solution for our customers based on these centers of excellence. At Biomerics Brooklyn Park, we offer a full customer experience based on our engineering prowess, which leads and helps our customers meet their demands for the market. What does that mean? We can take a project from our customer, whether it's at the start of concept, we can go through product development with our engineering expertise. We understand design control all the way through FDA submissions to support our customers in their regulatory environment. We also have the process validation knowledge and expertise with our engineering team to maximize our efficiency, reducing scrap, and offering the best price to meet market demands and trends.